so excited. We just got the biggest, bestest ERTl lot ever. So we just thought we'd show you guys what we just got. Okay, let's take it away. Oh, Ben. Looks good, Ben. All right. Scruffy. Some people call him SC Ruffy. What do you guys call him? Ooh. Sort of fuel tanker. Always good. Oh, man. Annie. I wonder if we have Clarabelle. We'll have to check it out. Whoa. The Diesel or D261. He looks brand new. Oh, breakdown train. I have never seen this in ERTl. That's really cool. Duke. Oh, I love Duke. Do you guys like Duke? I bet you do. Whoa. Passenger cars. Are these Emily's passenger cars? Ooh, express coach. Who pulls express coach? Comment below. Oh, Henrietta. Nice. Oh, troublesome trucks. They're always in trouble. Milk. Got milk? Yes, we do. Wilbert. Do you know who he was named after? What? Peter Sam. Oh, so good. Da 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 da! Get out. Flying Scotsman. Oh, James. We all know James. Oh, nice. Hook and ladder. Hook and ladder truck. Toby. He can pull Henrietta. Oh, Reneus. You look so new. It's Henry. It's just George. Whoa. Peter Sam. Oh, yeah. Okay, gunpowder. Dodge. Scarloey. Aha, there's Bill. To go with Ben. Bill and Ben, they're twins. Twinsies. Oh, Toad. Oh my gosh, I love his face. He looks so friendly. Nice. Is that Boko? Yes, it is. Bulstrode. Everyone needs a Bulstrode. Daisy. Oh, so good. She has lots of makeup on. Look at this. Do you see the name? Godred. But it looks like Caldy. Oh, Stepney. I like Stepney. Oh, that's going to be one of the irons. Which one? Nice. Sir Handel. Nice. Number 16. Oh, Trevor. Terrence. You look so good. Every lot has a Thomas. Is that Oliver? Why, yes it is. Oh, look. 2 tars and a milk. Rusty. So good. What? Never seen the Chinese dragon in ERTl. Oh, man. Lori, too. Oh, every lot has a Percy, too. Thomas and Percy. Whoa, that's Derek. So good. Douglas. Good old number 10. Do you guys know what number Donald is? Comment below. Or just wait till we pull it out. There he is. He's number 9. Diesel. Wow, this little car, little taxi, it's so cool. Oh, Caroline. Oh, I love your eyes. They're so great. Duncan. You look so good, Duncan. Express coaches to go with Gordon. There's Gordon. Ha ha ha. Mavis. Mavis is super popular right now. What is this? Let's take a good look at this one. Sodor Valley. Okay. Oh, the mail cars. Who pulls the mail cars? Oh, Clarabelle. Oh, nice. Duck. You don't look like a duck, but that's cool. What? E199. So cool. And then this little car. Oh, the conductor. Ah, see, there's Caldy. Let's pull him. Let's put up Godred. Take a look. They are the same. Just different names. Oh, Butch. So good. More troublesome trucks. Never have enough. What? Cranky. Oh, so good. Another breakdown train. Oh, Bertram. Why do you look so good? Milk. We got more milk. More tars. What? Sodor mail car. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. Another gunpowder. Milk. More milk. Here, splatter. Oh, so good. Lori 3. Oh my gosh, this is the hand car. It is the best. This is the second time we've received this. Look at it. So good. Just some flatbeds. What's this? Another taxi. Another passenger car. Birdie the bus. We get him all the time. Another express coach. Yes, Bulgy. Hi, Bulgy. You're the best. Edward. Oh, so good, Edward. That is cool. We have to figure out what that goes with. Oh, Sir Top-O-Mat. Well, guys, here you have it. Take a look. We've organized them. Let us know if you know anything about the Sodor Valley boat. That's just so cool. I've never seen it before. Wow. We are so excited about this lot. All these amazing ERTls are online now. Check us out at www.totallythomastown.com. Thanks for watching.